Good morning, dear students. Welcome my today online class. Today I will teach chapter number 9. Chapter name is soil. Student, in yesterday classes we have already discussed about soil. Okay, and formation of soil. Okay, and weathering and about humus. Okay, and layer of soil. Okay, so and composition of soil. Okay, so today class we have discussed about soil profile. Okay, you can see one picture in your green board of class. Okay, in this picture we have observed. Okay, there are four layers. Okay, so this upper layer called first layer. Okay, in this upper layer below second layer. Okay, and this second layer below third layer, and this third layer below fourth layer. Okay, so this all layers have a different name. First layer called A horizon. A horizon. Okay, and second layer known as B horizon. Okay, and third layer known as C horizon. Okay, and fourth layer known as D horizon. Okay, so soil profile have divided four layers. Okay, then we usually see top surface of the soil. Okay, so we usually see the top surface of the soil. Okay, not see layers below it. Okay, if we look the sides of recant dirt ditch, we can see the inner layers of the soil. Okay, to such as view enables us to we see the soil profile. Okay, at that place. Okay, so the question is what is a soil profile? Okay, what is soil profile? What is soil profile? So the vertical sections through the vertical sections are through the soil showing the different layers. Okay, the vertical section through the soil showing the vertical layers. Okay, showing different layers of the soil is called the soil profile. Okay, a vertical section through the vertical section. Okay, a vertical section through the soil showing the different layers. Okay, of the soil is called the soil profile. Okay, that's clear. I hope understood all of you. Okay, then each layers differ in texture, color, depth, and chemical composition. Each layer differ. Okay, depth, chemical composition, layers. Okay, so soil profile has also be seen while digging a well or laying. Okay, for foundation of a building, it can be seen at the sides of a road. Okay, on a hills. Okay, at a step river bed, us study the different inner layers. Okay, or horizon. Okay, inner layers differ in inner layers or horizon. Okay, soil in detail. Okay, so let's start one by one. I have deal about A horizon, about B horizon, about C horizon, and D horizon. Okay. So student, I have teach one by one all layers. So first layer I have A horizon. Okay. Then other name I have a top soil. Okay. So the A horizon or top soil, the uppermost layer of the soil is called top soil. So this is the uppermost layer and called top soil. Okay, so the top soil shows the following features. Okay, first darkest in color. Topsoil are darkest in color. Second, the humus in the topsoil makes the soil fertile. Okay, so plant get the essential nutrients from this layer. Okay, and the layer is generally soft, porous, and can retain more water. Okay, and topsoil provides shelter for many living organisms such as worms, rodents, moths, and beetles. Okay, so the root of the most of small plants are confident internally in this layer. Okay, the root of small plants, okay, confidently. Okay, the root of small plants, okay, confidently internally in this layer. Okay, I hope understood all of you. Okay, and then next second layer have sub horizon and other name have subsoil. Sub horizon, other name have subsoil. Okay, so what is subsoil? The layer of the soil, okay, which is just below the topsoil is called subsoil. Okay, I hope understood. So many features of subsoils. Okay, first the layer is lighter in color. Okay, the layer is lighter in color. Then topsoil, as it has a very little humus, organic matter. Okay, and this layer is harder and more compact than the topsoil. Okay, and roots of trees generally reach up to this level. Okay, and this layer is rich in soluble minerals and iron oxides. Okay, then third layer have sea horizon. Okay, and next have the third layer called sea horizon, and sea horizon have other name substratum. Okay, substratum. So the layer of the soil which is just below the subsoil is called substratum. So this is a second layer, and second layer called or known as subsoil. So the subsoil below the subsoil below the subsoil is called substratum. Okay, substratum. So the substratum shows the following features. Okay, first, it is made up of small lumps or broken rocks formed by the partial weathering or bedrock. Okay, and this layer lets humus held together and is infertile. Okay, and this layer is characterized by cracks and crevices. Okay, and then fourth layer known as D horizon, and other name have a bedrock. Okay, so what is bedrock? Just below the substratum is the bedrock or parent rock, and is also called D horizon. Okay, so you can see the picture. Okay, the fourth layer D horizon. Okay, other name have a bedrock. So there are many features of bedrock. The bedrock is solid, okay, and non-porous and hard layer of weathered rock. Okay, and this layer cannot be easily dug up even with a space. Okay, water cannot penetrate the bedrock, so it accumulates above it to form the water table. Okay, the reservoir of rainwater accumulated in this layer is called groundwater. Okay, when there is sufficient rain, groundwater level rises various. During drought, groundwater level falls. Okay, so student, I hope understood all of you to the topic soil profile. Okay, regarding this topic, any doubt you can feel free to ask me. Have a nice day. Good day.